Good day and welcome. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the factor theorem. Very important that we know the theorem because we're going to need it to solve our problems. Per definition, a factor theorem, if ax minus b is a factor of a polynomial f of x, then fb over a must equal 0, meaning if I solve this, ax minus b equals 0. If I take b over, it becomes positive b, and I always divide by the value in front of x. So therefore x equal b over a. So if I put b over a into the equation, it must give me 0. Or if fb over a equals 0, then ax minus b is considered a factor of the polynomial. Right, so let's look at how we use this. Right, so if f of x equal 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 32x plus 15, and it's divided by x minus 3, what's the remainder? So if I solve x minus 3, x would equal 3, right? So if I substitute 3 in there, that becomes 2 times 3 cubed plus 3 times 3 squared minus 32 times 3 plus 15, right? So that gives me 27, 50 times 2, 54, 9 times 3, 27, 32 times 3, 96, 15, and if I add all of that up, it gives me 0. So because we have no remainder, x minus 3 is considered to be a factor of f of x. Right? We're going to need this so that we are able to factorize that further. So we can factorize the equation by substituting what we refer to as linear factors. So linear factors of the constant, plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, plus minus 15. Right, in this case, positive 3 gave me 0. Right, let's look at some problem. Factor theorem. So, finding unknowns, find the value of p if x plus 3 is a factor of g of x equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus p. Right, so that's a factor. So using factor theorem, I'm going to substitute x equal minus 3 in, right? So g minus 3 then becomes 2 times negative 3 cubed plus minus 3 squared minus 5 times negative 3 minus p. But it's a factor, so g minus 3 equals 0. So 0 equal minus 27 times 2 minus 54 minus 3 squared 9 positive 15 minus p equal to 0. That gives me 24. Minus 54 plus 24, p equal 30 if we simplify further. Right, so that's just using factor theorems to solve an unknown. Not generally tested, but it's something you need to know. Right, determine the values of a and b when p cubed plus ap squared plus 2p plus b is divided by p squared plus p minus 2, then f of p equals 0. So if f of p equals 0, we're telling you there that is factors of this equation. Determine the values of a and b. So that's what we have for f of p. If we factorize the divisor, p squared is p times p. Negative 2, negative 1 times 2 gives me negative 2. Minus p plus 2p would give me p. So p minus 1, p plus 2 are factors of fp. So for p minus 1, I'm going to substitute f1. For p plus 2, I'm going to substitute f minus 2. Meaning if I take 2 over, it becomes negative 2. If I take negative 1 over, it becomes positive 1. So in the equation, that it can become now for 1 cubed plus a, 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus b. Right, that's it for negative 2. Same thing, negative 2 cubed plus a, negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 plus b. Because it's factors, can equate both equations equal to 0. So that gives me 1 plus a plus 2 plus b. A plus b, 2 plus 1 is 3. If I take it over, negative 3. That's my equation 1. Negative 2, 0. That would give me negative 8 plus 4a minus 4 plus b. So 4a plus b minus 8 minus 4 gives me minus 12. Take it over, becomes positive 12. Right, subtract 1 from 2 because I have p and p should cancel. So 12 equal 4a plus b. minus 3 minus minus 3 equal minus a minus b. So b minus b cancels. 4a minus a becomes 3a. 12 minus minus 3 becomes 12 plus 3, which gives me 15. 15 divided by 3, a equal 5. Substitute back into any one of the two equations. So b plus 5 equal minus 3. Take 5 over, b equal negative 8. So that in short is the remainder theorem. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Now use this more to draw the cubic function. This is just theory that you need to understand and know. Right, please like, share and subscribe. Wish you nothing but the best. Bye.